The next topic is the components of the computer graphics. The first component is the modeling. Basically, the computer graphics components are divided into the two parts, that are the software component and the second one is the hardware component. They are the software component that may include, first one is the modeling, that is also known as the application modeling. So it may define the object in terms of the primitives, coordinates and the characteristics. Main purpose of the application modeling is to capture that image and then after that store that image into the memory onto the disk. Next step is the manipulation. Manipulation is to be done by the computer device or any device which may change the shape, position and the characteristics of the object, which is mainly the purpose of the application program. So next step is the rendering, which may be done by applying the physically based procedures to generate the photorealistic images from the scenes by using lighting and shading, which is the main, basically the main purpose that is used to create the image by to change the image by changing its attributes and by applying the various views by sending a series of graphics output commands to the graphics system. So next one is the viewing, which is done after all the steps. First one is the image is to be captured then stored. After that the manipulation is to be done if there are the change in any coordinate or the attributes that can be done by the rendering process. That can be the basically the enhancement. After all the processes to be done, the main image is displayed on the hardware component, that is hardware component basically the computer on the display screen through the printer plotter. So this framework is also described as, first one is the application model, second one is the application program and third one is the graphic system. These all three components are the part of the software component which may receive the information from the hardware component. इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है कि हमारे पास जो इमेज है then first of all that is captured and that is done by the application model. Then that image is to be stored, enhancement is to be done which is done by the application program, and then the rendering process is to be done, that is the basically the graphics system, which is the main component or the main interface between the software component and the hardware component. So it is basically responsible for actually producing the picture from the detailed description and for passing the user's information to the application program for the further processing. So next one is the classification of computer graphic. It is basically divided into based on the various factors. First one is the type of the object. Type of object means any object may be of two-dimensional or three-dimensional. Second one is it basically divided into the two categories. First one is the vector graphics and the raster graphic, which is to be discussed in the next lecture.